DEWALT 7 to a quarter inch circular saw DWE575, the classic lightweight corded model that made DEWALT a go-to name for pros and weekend warriors. Okay, let's talk about the DWE575. It's basically the sibling to the DWE575 SB with that same DEWALT DNA, 7 and a quarter blade capacity, compact footprint, aluminum smooth base for accuracy, and a powerful 15-amp motor built to chew through framing lumber and sheet goods. Folks that have used both models often highlight how the saw balances weight and power. It's easy to carry around on a job site yet has enough motor to avoid bobbing on thicker cuts. The product listing is your best stop for the nitty-gritty specs, warranty notes, and the most up-to-date price and shipping options. In everyday usage, reviewers typically call out the comfortable handling and the electric brake as standout features, releasing the trigger and the blade stops quickly, which is a real safety and workflow benefit. The DWE575's dust blower keeps your cut line visible, and the lower guard design helps when beveling. The honest drawbacks people mention are similar to the DWE575 SB. The stock blade is pretty basic, swap it as needed, and because it's a sidewinder design there are trade-offs with torque at extreme loads compared to heavier hypoid drives. Many customers give it solid ratings for value and durability. If you're a DIYer who wants a reliable saw that doesn't require special training, this is one of those, buy it and forget about it, tools. For the exact current price, deals, or used options, check our buy link in the description box. Amazon pricing changes frequently. We share buy links in description box. So who should buy the DWE575? If you want a straightforward corded circular saw that strikes a good compromise between portability and raw cutting power, it's a top pick at its price tier. Pros: lightweight design, accurate aluminum base, electric brake, good bevel range. Cons: basic included blade, cord limits mobility, extension cords, anyone, and you'll want to double-check blade mounting if you notice any vibration. Check the Amazon listing via the link for live availability and to read dozens of real user reviews and photos.